Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide how to delete the Google Chrome browser history or cookies completely. So open the Google Chrome first, and once you open it you need to go to three dots here on the right hand side on the top. Click on that option and hover up to history, then click on history option. Additionally, you can press Ctrl and H on your keyboard same time. Okay, and you should able to see the same options there, and also like this. So once you go here you need to go to delete browser data, and once you choose this option you will get two options, basic and advanced. Go to advanced, click on last hours, then click on all time. So this is a range where you can select the particular date on time. Let's say you want to delete your last 24 hours, you can select that. If you want to delete like last 7 days, you can select that also, but I'm going to select the all time. And once you select all time, just be patient here, it will start the calculating browser history, and once you calculated that you should able to see the items here. Then I should recommend you to leave only the password option here untick, and rest of them you can delete. Password will be saved on your browser. So once you have made these changes, just click on delete, and once you delete it you can recheck it with Control H, and now there should be no browser data on your system, as you can see here. So this is how you can delete the complete browser history from your Google Chrome. So I hope guys this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching how to fix tech.